With the cost of inflation, supplies for back to school pretty steep this year. The National Retail Federation reporting 1/3 of consumers saying they're cutting back in other areas of spending as a result.
But for some families, there's just really no room in their budget to make cuts. They're just trying to survive basic bills. And here in the Valley, there are incredible organizations supporting these families. Team 12's Jen Wahl is joining us live in Phoenix this morning. Jen, you're introducing us to one of those nonprofits and the volunteers behind their generous support.
Yeah, good morning to you, Emily and Scott. This morning, we are live from T.G. Barr Elementary School in Phoenix. This is one of the nearly 130 schools the Assistance League of Phoenix supports with its Operation School Bell. That's where students get a brand new wardrobe at the start of every year, and this year, the need is greater than ever.
As students start new school years all over the Valley, volunteers gently sort brand new clothing for thousands of them, not knowing exactly who will receive these generous gifts at more than 130 Phoenix area schools.
Operation School Bell provides new school wardrobes, including clothing, shoes, hygiene items for some of our lowest income kids.
Assistance League of Phoenix CEO Amy Runyon says they plan to serve 11,000 students this year. She estimates there are about 130,000 more Valley children who could use that same help.
I've had children come up to me and be excited because now they get to have their very own toothbrush. And when you hear something like that and you feel like, oh my gosh, this is in our community, we're not talking about a third world country. We're talking about kids that live just down the road.
I think it's really time to start giving back a lot more.
Basil Ribakari is an ASU student whose parents are refugees from Rwanda. He knows just how much the brand new clothing and school supplies means to families like his.
And for me personally, it really did give me that boost of confidence that I needed to really find myself, feel more integrated with the community.
Watching how hard his parents worked, 2 jobs each while he grew up.
And it was that commitment, that drive that they had to just fund us and put us through school. That's what really drove us.
Drove Basil and his brother to push through a rigorous Brophy College prep education in a school very different from their neighborhood home.
We also did begin to understand both sides of two worlds, because at that time, I can recall me and him would take 2 buses, wake up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning just to catch a 5 a.m. bus just to get to school by 7 so that we weren't late.
Now Basil is giving back to the same community that wrapped its arms around his family for so many years.
I'm interning with Assistance League of Phoenix this summer,
giving him the opportunity to share more with Arizona children in need.
I definitely tell them, when you bring your clothes home, definitely go show your parents, because their parents are the ones that are going to be really grateful as well, just as you are.
Yeah, and the Assistance League of Phoenix has a goal to serve 15,000 students per year by the year 2025. But they told me they think they're going to reach that goal even sooner because of all of the generous donors and volunteers. If you would like to help out, you can go to alphx.org. You can donate time or money right there. Now we're live in Phoenix. Jen Wahl, Today and Easy.
Jen, thank you. Great story.